the summer salad series in our Food Friday. So today we'll be making a corn and avocado salad, and this is just a really refreshing salad for the summertime, and corn is in season, sweet corn, so it's great if you make it fresh or you just have leftover grilled corn. So some of the benefits of this beautiful salad is that it's very filling. It's got lots of fiber and water content of the vegetables used in this. It uses the best of the seasonal produce. So when we eat foods that are in season, they're more nutritious and delicious. And so this really hits on all the marks. It's also got omega-3 fatty acids from the avocado, lots of different kinds of fiber from the different kinds of produce, and some prebiotic fibers from the onions as well. So it's packed with flavor and nutrition. So in this bowl, I have the corn that was grilled or it can be steamed. And then added to that, I have the ancho pepper. So an ancho pepper is not hot, but it's really flavorful and can have a smoky flavor. So you can either put that on the grill as well, or if you don't want to take out the grill, you can even hold it over an open flame like a gas stove. 1 avocado, ripe and chopped. 1 medium tomato. 1/3 cup chopped fresh cilantro. 3 tablespoons of lime juice or 2 limes. 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/4 cup of avocado oil or extra virgin olive oil, and 6 cups roughly of romaine lettuce.